transform your Nikon D5600 into a professional webcam for crystal clear video calls and streaming with this quick and easy guide. First, let's gather your essential gear. You'll need your Nikon D5600 camera, a compatible USB cable, a fully charged battery or AC adapter, and either a video capture card or Nikon's free webcam utility software. If you're opting for the software route, head over to the Nikon website and download their dedicated webcam utility. Be sure to select the correct version for your operating system. Once installed, plug your D5600 into your computer using the USB cable. Make sure the camera is switched on and set to movie mode. Now, let's dive into camera settings on your D5600 menu. Navigate to the playback display options and ensure HDMI and USB are set to auto. Next, go to the setup menu and find the power off delay. Set this to the longest duration to prevent your camera from going to sleep during your broadcast. Crucially, on your D5600, you'll need to set the live view shooting menu. Select the add button on the back of your camera and find the option to disable the continuous shooting or the self timer. Do you want the camera to only recur when you're actively shooting? Now, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming software Zoom, Skype, OBS, whatever you use. In the software's camera settings, you should now see your Nikon D5600 listed as an available camera option. Select it, and there you have it. Your Nikon D5600 is now ready to deliver professional-grade video for all your online interactions. Experiment with your camera's aperture and shutter speed to fine-tune your lighting and achieve that perfect look.